this is what I would like to explain to you. Kids today stays up late at night. Okay? If you will not ask them to sleep, they will not sleep, people. Right? Same thing with, of course, with the 4-year-old. Okay? She will only sleep once I ask her to sleep beside me. Right? They skip breakfast. They will try to make all the possible excuses not to take the breakfast. Okay? Hates fruits and vegetables. Oh my God! Once they see fruits or vegetables, they will look like this. Okay? And loves, wow! If you will give them chocolates, junk foods, in just one sitting, ubos. Right? Exposed to free radicals, silent smoking, so please don't smoke beside your kids. By all means, guys. Okay? Pollution, radiation, TV, computer, cell phones. My God, wow. My daughter can download games in the application, which I cannot do. Okay? She's better than me when you try to open the games. Okay? And they can even play it for hours if you let make them stop using the cell phone or the gadgets. So people, because of this, what will be the effect? Obesity. Okay? Stunted growth. Malnutrition. Again, I saw 6 million malnourished Filipino children with lower intelligence, bad behavior, of course, very common for the kids, bullying. Now look at this. Let's talk about IQ and the health and the wealth of nations. Look at these guys. The average IQ of Filipinos is said to be 86. How many ba, Doc? That's too much! 86! That's good! Compared to the world IQ, guys. Worldwide IQ, 100. Will that still be good mental? Okay? Why again? Because of these factors. Now guys, the average person in the world eats only an average of 1.8 fruits and vegetables per day. And again, if you're going to recall what we discussed earlier, how much should we eat every day when you talk about fruits and vegetables? 5. No, it's too far. People, look at this. It's all about the Food and Drug Administration of the Philippines. It recommends that children consume a minimum of what? 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. And studies have shown that the best sources still of vitamins and minerals will be the fruits and vegetables. Now, essential for what? Growth, brain development, strong immune system, for you to become immune competent, strong teeth and bones, and of course, good eyesight. Let's continue with this. There was a research done, Journal of School Health in the US, and it shows that 5th grade children with the highest intake of fruits and vegetables per day perform best on the so-called standardized test. So again, what are we trying to drive at here? That we should please convince our kids to eat enough fruits and vegetables per day. Now guys, this is the product. A very good product for the kids. People, can you please read it out? Kiddie 24/7 Nutragamis. Guys, have you tried the product, yes or no?
Yes!
What's the flavors, guys? Okay, again, orange, cherry, and grapes. Nutragamis. Have you tried have you tried gummy bears before?
Yes!
Same thing here. Okay? I will assure you that once your kid tries this product, they will love the taste. And people, we doctors, before we give vitamins, my wife happens, by the way, is a vegetarian. And every time she gives vitamins for the kids, for her clients, what we usually do is, we are the ones who initially taste the vitamins. If by chance we love the taste of the vitamins, then we recommend it to our clients. Okay? Now people, it tastes good? Yes. But the thing here is, the question is now, what are the components of this product? Okay guys, once I show you the numbers, can you please read those numbers now? Can you do that guys?
Yes.
Let's start. What? How much? 14 vitamins, essential vitamins and minerals. Again, from A, B, C, D, E, K, B1 to B12, A to C, it's what there. Best second when? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, What's the youngest possible age you can take the vitamins? What's the age, people? 2 years old. Once or twice a day. 2 to 11 years old. Are we clear so far, people? Let's continue, guys. Let's go. Guys, can you please read it loud? 26 fruits and vegetables. Again, people, if you're going to look at these fruits and vegetables, do we need them, yes or no?
Yes.
But if you're going to show this to your kids, especially broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, do you think they will appreciate the vegetables, yes or no?
No.
Especially if the age is around 3 or 4 years old. If by chance you will show this to them, what will be the reaction? Ew. But again, the question is, do we need them? Yes or no?
Yes.
People don't worry why, because all of them are now part of the product KD 24/7 of the Global. And this is what's not needed. Very, very good vitamins for the kids. And lucky for us, they're not present in our product. Especially, no allergens. Why? It only means one thing, that there will be no allergic reaction for our KD clients. What else? At the end of the day, you will ask me, oh, what are these so-called components present in the product? Can you please read this one? Pectin, a complex carbohydrate. Found where? Cell walls. When you talk about cell walls, plants. Cell membrane, animals. In the cell wall, or in between the cell wall, which means they will try to regulate the flow of water in between the cells and will try to make them rigid. The main reason why our product is said to be in gummies is because of the so-called pectin. Okay? What else? Can you please read this one? Organic tapioca. It's a sweetener, people, from tapioca starch. If you're going to analyze, Doc, what's good with this product? Alternative sweetener to sucrose. When you talk about sucrose, it's table sugar, the white table sugar, people. Now, the nutritional composition of organic tapioca syrup is similar to sucrose. But the advantage is, people, it may be slightly healthier option to white crystals. Why again? Because this one has lower calories. So if your fear is for your kids to become obese, then don't worry, people, why? It has lower calories and, of course, lower carbohydrates. So, do we have a better vitamins for the kids in the presence of KD 24/7? Yes or no?
Yes.
People, cane juice. Evaporated cane juice, again, a healthy alternative to refined sugar. Why? People, because it retains more of the nutrients found in sugar cane. Okay? Why again? Because it will only undergo, okay, a certain type of processing that is not the same as that of refined sugar. Okay? Next, benefits. Again, for growth and thinking skills, vitamin B complex. Second, for stronger immunity, vitamin C as an antioxidant. Third and fourth, I still do believe that you must allow your kids to play every day. Yes or no?
Yes.
For they enjoy their life. But in order for them to do so, people, be sure that they have a strong bones and they should have extra energy. And for them to be able to absorb the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, people, you have to be sure that their digestive system is functioning well. The people who know this, do we have a wonderful product in KD 24/7? Yes or no?
Yes.
More applause for the product, guys. Next.